Hey guys, welcome back to New Zealand. Beautiful, beautiful morning. We're looking like 26, 27, maybe even 28 degrees. It's been red hot for the last few days, and yesterday I was out on the push bike. Went for a bit of a jaunt along the coastal pathways, cycleways, and had a great time, great old time. Now, one of my favourite pathways or cycleways is between the settlements of Clive and Tiawonga on the Cape Coast. It goes all the way to Clifton actually. It's beautiful, beautiful little place. But the coastline is so diverse out there, it's just stunning. So as I'm pedalling along, just minding my own business, enjoying my day, I passed a little area just outside Clive. It's a wetland area, and there's all these sort of patchwork of grasses or whatever they are, sort of with channels intersecting all the way through them. And I thought, okay, from ground level, looks okay. I just wonder what it looks like from above. So I hightailed it back on the push bike, got back towards the van, charged the drone batteries, because I never charge the batteries for, I don't use the drone that often, and they're always flat. So I decided to sit down and charge the batteries, read a book for an hour, beautiful, and then went back down at dusk, sort of sunset. Planned to get a few photographs, aerial photographs over that area. So as I arrived, I flew the drone. The light was beautiful. Flew the drone, wasn't up there for long, maybe 10 minutes maybe, just enough to drain one battery. Brought it back down to earth, got a few nice shots, got a little bit of video footage, and got a few what I thought looked like good aerial photographs. So when I got back down to earth, I thought, right, the sun's just about to set, let's see if I can make a couple of photographs from ground level. So I cracked out the old Fuji, set up at the Clive River mouth, or towards the Clive River mouth. The tide was out, and there's a few little channels sort of snaking into the main channel, but I kind of struggled really. I just couldn't make it. I could see what I wanted to achieve, but I couldn't achieve what I got in my mind's eye. So basically, I got a couple of photographs. I'm going to put them on here, but they're nothing spectacular, and I came away from that shot quite disappointed. But having said that, the intent of the shoot was basically just to shoot some aerial footage with a drone. So it was kind of, I've had this drone a while now, and I've not really used it that much. I've used it a few times for video footage, that's okay, a bit of B-roll, but I've not really used it for stills. But I'm starting to see now the potential. I've always thought of drone photographs as a bit like cheating, you know what I mean? Because you're not actually there pressing the shutter and taking the picture. But I guess you are. You're just doing it from ground level on an app. So yeah, but now I've got the photographs sorted out from that shoot, I am well impressed, well impressed. The light was beautiful, and it's just made some nice shots. Little mistake I did make, it's not so much a mistake, it was just kind of blatant actually. It was a spur of the moment thing to shoot the drone footage, and I didn't register the flight with AirShare, which is a stupid thing to do. I mean, in my defence, which is no defence, but in my defence, there was nothing for 1,000 miles near me. You know what I mean? It was a crystal clear night, there was nothing in the air. I didn't fly that high, and anyway, I'm making excuses for something I should have done and I didn't do. So moral of the story is, listen, just register with AirShare. I've registered another flight tonight, and it takes 2 minutes to register really. It's pretty seamless, it's easy. So yeah, do the right thing guys, fly responsibly. Alright guys, so listen, that's it for now. Hope you enjoy this weird little video, and if you do, give us a like and give us a subscribe, all that good sort of stuff. And for now, from a stunning New Zealand, ka kite anō, have a fantastic Christmas wherever you're spending it, and whoever you're spending it with, of course. Ka kite anō. Cheers guys, bye.